Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across a consistent and annoying issue in Minecraft. So if you're having a lot of FPS or frames per second dropping, and you're noticing that the game isn't loading or working very well. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways on how to hopefully improve the performance of Minecraft. So first thing I recommend doing would be if you have Minecraft open, would be actually to go into the settings of Minecraft and you can adjust the particle limit to minimal. So that would be one thing I'd recommend looking at just directly within the game itself. Looking more at a broader view through the Windows operating system level. Something else I'd recommend taking a look at would be to open up the search menu, type in control panel, best match, or come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by up in the top right, two large icons, and then you want to select where it says power options. So go ahead and just left click on that to open it up. You want to expand where it says show additional plans, and you want to select high performance. Favors performance but may use more energy. So if you're on a laptop, that might be a consideration in here. You may want to just come back in here after you're done using the application and then just turn it back to balanced or power saver mode. But when you're playing Minecraft, I recommend just changing it to high performance here. And then if you close out of here, something else I recommend doing as well would be to go and check and see if you have any pending Windows updates. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for update in the search menu. And I recommend going ahead and checking and see if there's any new updates available for Windows, because if you're having an issue with Windows updates, there might be some pending updates that are downloading in the background. There certainly is a realistic possibility that that may be interfering or drawing away resources from the game that you're playing. And that's true across any game, doesn't have to just be Minecraft or any application for that matter. So you have limited resources, and depending on the more things that are drawing it, and Windows Update certainly can be a heavy draw on system resources. You may want to just check and see if there's any updates that are pending and just go ahead and finish installing them. And then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the issue if it was a Windows Update related problem. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.